Just from an attractions point of view, man.
Sure.
Before and after the awards, what can I get up to while I'm in the province?
Number one, let us start with the artist. We have quite a lot of talented people in our province. We have got Pumla Music, our pride.
There you go.
Pumla Music is a Basadi award-winning artist, and we've got a Passion Master. They won the Sadmas. We've got quite a lot of award-winning artists in our province. Afro Traction is from here. Brendan Praise is from here. If you remember, I don't know if I can't mention the show whereby they were looking for talent, singing vocal talent.
I may have heard of that one.
Yes. A lot of artists are from the province, and we have got winning Sama Stunkero is from the province. Then afterwards, after all these Metro FM and after parties, we have got a beautiful province in such a way. This is a tourism mecca of tourism. You have got the Panorama Road, you have got your Lone Creek Waterfall, you have got your Kruger National Park where you can see the Big Five. I showed that today in Mali. But then some of you guys never saw Ilpubes in a mess. You just go there, go Kruger. We've got a lot, Graskop Gorge. So Mpumalanga is the mecca of tourism, my
brother. I believe you, man. But listen, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for coming through to the conference. We hope to interact with you some more, not only today, throughout the week, and into the future as well. But much respect, wish you nothing but success.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you. And people should follow me at DJ Mnyasa.
There you go. Follow the man and do the right thing. Otherwise, thank you so much for hanging out on the Midday Link Up on Metro FM. What a lot of fun it was. Melzen and the rest of the team, TD, I sincerely cannot wait to see you guys at in Bombela so we can hang out. But what a lot of fun it was, man. Have a good one. Otherwise, we'll be back again on your radio tomorrow. We will be broadcasting live from more of the activities that are going down.